2011 to 2014 Ford F-150 rear view backup camera wire harness OEMNEW BL3Z-14A411-A. Made in USA. Package weight, 0.5 pounds. Package dimensions, 0.56 liters x 15H x 10.5 W, inches. Description: OEM genuine automotive parts. Additional information. Country of origin USA. Top reviews from the United States. Very well made. I got this, a Master Tailgaters camera 2012 to 2014 that replaces part #Lays 19G490D, a Ford tailgate backup camera housing bezel and emblem for 2009 to 2014, camera wiring harness to go between new receiver and camera. And installed in my 2005 F-150. I cut off the square connector and spiced an RCA video and power connectors to match harness. Violet/brown stripe plus 12 volts, black/red or green stripe minus 12 volts, white/green stripe plus video, brown/violet stripe video.